Hi everyone, welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to show you how you can create an encrypted data DVD that has high security and no one can see or copy your data. For this purpose, we first insert the blank DVD into the computer. Well, we open the Nero software. Click on Nero Express. From the Data section, select SecurDisk Data DVD option. In this section, we can select the top secret option, in which case the selected password must have at least 32 characters. We can also select the secret option, in which case our password must have at least 16 characters. I choose secret and click on select. In this section, we must enter the desired password. I chose this password. Note that if you want to have a strong password, your password should contain uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols such as @ and hash. We write the same password again in this section. We click on OK. Click on Add and then Files. In this section, we select the data that we want to put on the DVD. We can choose photos, videos, songs, PDF files, RAR files, document files or any other files. For example, I choose a photo, a PDF file, a RAR file and a video. Note that if you are using a normal DVD, the size of the selected files should not exceed 4.7 GB. And if you use DVD 9, the size of selected files should not exceed 8.5 GB. Click on Add. Click on Close. We click on Next. In this section, you can choose a name for the DVD. For example, I type Data 1. If you check this option, after burning, the software will automatically check the data on the DVD with the data on the computer. Note that this can make the process longer. Finally, we click on Burn. As you can see, the operation was completed successfully. We click on Close. We click on Next. We close the software. Here you can save the project by clicking on Yes. I click on No. Well, let's check the data DVD that we created. Right-click on the DVD drive and click Open. I try to open the photo. As you can see, the photo is not displayed. Now I try to open the video. As you can see, the video is not displayed. To open the files, we must click on Nero Secure Disk Viewer. We check the desired file. Then we click on Save To. Enter the password we chose earlier and press Apply. we choose where we want to save the file. Then click OK. We click on Close. We click on Close. Well, let's check the selected file. As you can see, the selected video file is opened. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. Thanks for watching this video.